In this video, we're going to take a look at the Searchie Chrome extension for Google's Chrome browser and what you can do with it. Essentially, the extension allows you to record not only your browser, but your desktop and also a camera or yourself to show up on video. And it's a very handy thing. I think it competes well with some of the other products like this, such as Loom. So that's what we're going to take a look at today. Hi, my name is William Beam with Suburbia Press. Our goal is to help online entrepreneurs understand the technology that can help drive their business forward. And this is one of the things we're going to take a look at. Searchie is, in my opinion, the best video hosting. I will go ahead and put a link up above to look at my previous video on Searchie. It kind of gives you a general overview of it. One of the things inside of Searchie is a Chrome extension that allows you to quickly record videos. They'll be uploaded to Searchie, they'll be transcribed, and you'll get a link that you could share this. So imagine if you have customers or clients, you just need to give them a quick video. Maybe you're doing a demonstration, maybe you're helping them troubleshoot something. It's just a nice tool inside of Searchie that can help you quickly prepare something so you don't have to go through a lot of other video editing processes in order to put something out there. This is similar to a product called Loom, and this is the Loom page. So you can see that they've got a free version here. There's got a business version as well. And it's a nice tool. A lot of people use this. Nothing wrong with it. I've never used it myself, but I have no complaints about it. But the idea is if you have Searchie, this is one more tool that you don't need to pay for because you've got the feature available within Searchie right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Chrome extension and how it works. All right, so I have Google Chrome up, and this icon right over here is the Google Chrome extension. I'm not going to bother showing you how to install it. If you have Chrome and you have other extensions, then you probably know how to do that. So we'll click on that, and it's going to show us a little panel. And you can see there's two tabs, one for the screen, one for camera only. So let's start over here with the screen. And you have a choice what to record. Do you want your full desktop, or do you just want the current tab of the browser, the Chrome browser that you're in? So you've got an option there. Do you want to allow camera recording? So if you turn this on, you're going to see that, hey, there I am down there. And I'll probably have to align myself a little bit. You can change the size of this. That's quite big. Oh, that was fun. Okay, so you can change the size to one of three sizes. But the other thing that you may have noticed is that you can move this around. So as you're recording your video, if you get in the way, man, I'm really going to have to work on where my position is. You can move this around. Okay, so that was driving me nuts a little bit. So you can move this around. You can reposition your camera and just see what do you want to do. And if you want to get rid of it, click this little X right over here and it goes away. So allow camera recording. We'll just turn this on. And when you turn this on, one of the things I wanted to show you is this little drop-down link. You have options for whatever cameras are on your system. So I'm on an iMac. I have a FaceTime HD camera, and this CamLink 4K is a device that plugs into my Nikon Z50, which is the camera that I'm using. So I'll leave that, and that's where I'm going to be recording. Same thing with your microphone audio. It can be on or off, depending on whether you need to speak to who you're talking to. If you click over here to show advanced options, again, you have different sources. This one that's selected, the MG-XU, is my Yamaha mixer. And this microphone goes through different processing equipment, and that's what I prefer to use. You could use your default iMac or whatever built-in microphone you have. If you had a USB audio, you could use that. If I had a microphone on my camera, I could use that. So there's just a few different options that are right there. So I'm going to leave it with the mixer that I'm using. And then you can decide, do you want to have the control menu turned on or not? Do you want to have a countdown timer? So when you start up, it will show you a countdown timer. That way you've got like about a few seconds with a countdown going on to kind of get yourself mentally ready before you start recording. You can show the elapsed time. And if you look down here at the bottom, this is what we're talking about. This is where the elapsed time will show. The countdown timer will be a very large display inside of your screen before it starts. And then you've got these little controls over here. So I can start recording, I can pause it, or I can come over here and maybe edit it a little bit. So you can show your elapsed time, and you have an annotation tool. And I'm going to turn that off because I don't need to type anything. And I was, when I talked about editing, that's what this annotation is. If you need to type something in to display on the screen. So you can do that for the screen and yourself. but you can also come over here to camera only. So right now it's just me talking to you. And then of course there is the same settings here for your microphone and these other settings. In other words, you don't see anything of the desktop on the camera only mode. If you come over here to this little icon, you can click and you can see your account information, what kind of subscription you have. I'm on the business plan, which is like the top level plan that they have. I find that I get the most value out of the business plan. And then you give this little option over here. Where do you want to save your recording? So I've got a number of different folders that I use inside of Searchie. And there's one that's simply called Searchie Browser Extension. And that's where I want everything to go. I may move the videos at some other point, but it's going to upload automatically to the folder I have inside of Searchie called Searchie Browser Extension. And the video quality, you have two options. There are 720p and 1080p. There's no 4K support here right now. And if you want to have local backups, you can click on this to manage, and then it will open up another tab and you can determine how you're going to do that. So you can download in case you need to save that offline. I'm going to close that and come back over here. And that pretty much shows us everything with the settings. All right, so let's go through a demo. I've got it on screen. I've got it on full desktop. And we can, and one of the reasons you may want to do that is in case you have multiple tabs and you want to show somebody both of those. So let's go back over here and let's say that we bring up Loom. And I think we have everything else. So we'll just go ahead and click Start Recording. If you have a Mac, you may need to go ahead and go into your system security and privacy preferences, and you'll get screens like this. It'll show you that you may have to stop and restart. So we're going to go ahead and lock that up. Let's click the browser again, or excuse me, the Chrome extension on the browser. And we're going to click Start Recording. So we've got the entire screen selected. And let's click Share. And this is the countdown timer. Hi, this is William Beam with Suburbia Press. We're just taking a quick look at Searchie and the Chrome extension that allows you to record from your camera, from your microphone, and from your desktop. Okay, so I've clicked Stop down below, and you can see it immediately goes into uploading. And it's already got a link down here. So we got it uploaded. It was only 16 seconds. And you're not going to hear the audio very well from this, but let me go ahead and play this. So let me copy this link, and I'm going to open up another tab, put this inside, and you can send this off to a customer or client or whoever you need to send it to. You notice down here that you've got the player. I'm going to pause this. So you can download this. You can change the settings or the speed. You can make this a full screen view. And of course, over here, you can move ahead 5 seconds, rewind, or faster. You can rewind the entire thing. And you've got your play buttons. And of course, if you want to give it a little heart, kind of like a like, you can do that. So up here in the search, you can see that there is a transcription, and it takes a little bit for the transcription to come through. And you can see where Searchie is right there. Let's say if I search for Suburbia, there's not much. And hit that, and then it highlights Suburbia. So that's the most recent thing that I've searched for. Previously, I'd searched for Searchie. And you can see if you click this, it will take you right to that point. You can see down here where I mentioned Suburbia. And that is how Searchie works. So it is a great tool that is part of the Searchie experience. And I just wanted to share that with you today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. I will have links in the description for Searchie. Also, you can get a free 7-day trial using my affiliate link. That'll be in the description below. I have some other products that may interest you, with some of them with coupon codes. And if you would like to get a free resource, go to suburbiapress.com/welcome. And I've got a PDF guide there of 5 great resources for WordPress users. I think that you'll really enjoy those. So let me know if you have any questions about Searchie, if you have any questions about how it compares with some other products. Thanks again. If you like this video, please go ahead, click the like button. That lets the YouTube overlords know I've done something right. They'll share this with more people. Please subscribe. You'll get more video content. And if you click that notification bell, you'll get notified the next time I put a video out. See you in the next video.